went to eBay after doing my research, and I got a surprise here. So let's see what my new thing is going to be. Part of living happy, fun-loving, and carefree is doing things that are fun on the homestead. So I always like to try new things. That's kind of my thing, is with keeping out of, keeping excitement into your life and not getting stuck in the rut where you're just, going through the motions of life, what we always call the hamster wheel or whatever, where you're just working a job and traffic and all that, you do different things. So I always like to pick something new to do and research and study and look up on it, and then, dive into it. Interesting packing job. 1, 2, 3, looks like 4, maybe 5 priority boxes fastened together. Four priority boxes. This might give it away. It's a free slide that the guy threw in for me. What do you think? Got a little booklet and a little pick with it. It's what's called a cigar box guitar. So you can see it's a Jack Daniels. Let me see if I can tip it up here and not hit the ceiling fan that's above me. So Jack Daniels. Got 2 sound holes. It's electric. So you got electric there. This is the jack for the electric. And it is 3 strings. So there's the head. And it's tuned to G. Now, I've never, ever played anything like this in my life, so. I have no idea what the chords are or anything, so, but seemed like it was pretty straightforward there. Slide. And of course I'm just holding it, so. Definitely going to take some practice to figure this out, huh? But again, that's what, finding fun new things to do to stimulate your brain. So whatever it is for you, pick out something that you've never ever done before that, maybe it's easy to learn, maybe it's hard to learn. A language, hiking, map and compass work, learning Morse code, picking up a little fun guitar, a mandolin, some other instrument, learning, singing in the choir, whatever, but do something that's out of your comfort zone that you've never ever done before to exercise your brain to add a new level into your life. So you'll be living happy, fun-loving, and carefree on your homestead, being self-sufficient. Ta-da!